mother... So, the plan for the Daily Driver project was to do a video, maybe 2 videos a month, documenting the progress I made with the car, modifying, changing parts out, restoring the car back to some sort of good condition. The car spent a lot of its time this year being worked on, whether that's at a shop or just in the garage, not being able to drive it. It went in for a tune, needed a clutch. Went in for a clutch, got a new clutch. Took me a while to break it in. It went in for another tune, got the car back. It's been a long process. So I haven't been able to fully drive the car as long as I was hoping I'd be able to. But I had it back just in time for the Waka track night, King of the North. Took it to the track to very disappointing results. You can see that video right here. Ran really shitty times. Left the track. Car did not feel any different. The motor, transmission, the shifting, which is to say it continued to shift like shit. I drove it another couple of weeks. No real change. Nothing really felt any different. I have a brand new clutch. It's a South Bend, so I know at least the clutch is going to be in perfect shape. Let me work on the shifting, because the shifter is so sloppy. I have a short throw. I have the stiffer bushings. Lo and behold, on my way to work this morning, taking off from a stoplight, I didn't sidestep. I didn't drop the clutch. Took off, somewhat aggressive. Hit second. Actually, I chirped second gear, so I was giving it the business. And when I went to hit third, the clutch had like a hiccup, and it wouldn't let me go into third. Weird. Tried to put it into fourth, wouldn't let me into fourth. So now I'm thinking, the transmission must have completely fucking destroyed itself. All right, I coasted into a parking lot, wait for a tow, get it towed to the shop that just did the clutch, Happy's Garage, number 2. And I get a ride to work. And Jeff at Happy's Garage was able to look at the car, and these are the pictures he sent me. These pictures show that the clutch is fucked. Somehow, the clutch, the brand new clutch, with less than 2,000 miles on it, shit the bed. Don't really know how. It was absolutely not abused. It's got 2,000 miles on it. How much abuse could somebody even do in 2,000 miles? I digress. Put 500 miles on it, just breaking it in. It got a tune making around 400 wheel torque. 370 to the wheel horsepower. Dyno jet numbers. If you went with the Mustang numbers, they were way lower. And somehow, the clutch is destroyed. I'm extremely frustrated with all the time that has been spent on this car. Not to mention the money, but the amount of effort that has gone into this for it to have been down as long as it has, and for it to shift so poorly. I've driven multiple manual cars in my lifetime, a bunch of stick shift cars. This is the worst in terms of shifter feel. It's very sloppy. It's so sloppy. In neutral, you can wiggle it around. gear, you can still wiggle it around. Shifting from first to second, there's like a hitch. It doesn't want to let you fully shift into second. Going into third is a little more fluid. Again, trying to bang out fourth. No good. This video is going to be pretty devoid of comic relief. I'm only filming this to continue the series and show the ups and downs. I am so pissed. I'm ready to drive the car off a cliff. I don't really know what the next move is going to be. I wasn't planning on sinking any more money into this car in the immediate future. I guess I got to go figure out what clutch I'm going to use. I got to go buy a new clutch. I cannot even focus. I cannot even focus right now. I'm so angry. Well, I'm going to have to figure out what to do here. I'm going to have to source a clutch. Call up ZZP and try and figure out where to go from here. Before I forget, shout out to Ashley at ZZP. I had called her a little while ago. She was able to kind of walk me through some options. I've talked to her on multiple occasions in the past. She was a help that I forgot to give credit for it in previous videos. Ashley, thank you for your time and patience with me. Alright, well, I guess that's it for now. I got nothing else. Hit like, hit subscribe. Alright, so update, rather than make a brand new video, we'll just piggyback on the shit show I filmed a couple days ago. During my research for my next clutch, someone who I like to bounce things off of, my man Dalton, with the ridiculously fast Cobalt. You can see his videos up here. He was able to get back to me and provide me with a very good option for my next clutch. I'll save the specifics for the next video, but shout out to Dalton and Josh for getting me this clutch in a timely manner. Can't wait to use this. I'm looking forward to seeing what this is going to be like. I'm going to try and get all of this to Happy's garage immediately so I can get the car fixed and get it off of Jeff's lift. That's it for the video. Pretty shitty, to the point, frustrated video. Not a very funny one this week, but just trying to keep everybody updated. All 8 people who watch these videos. Nobody fucking watches these videos. If you're watching this, it's because you fell asleep on YouTube, and they just keep playing videos, and somehow YouTube sent this to your account to play. Nobody watches any of these videos. Matter of fact, if you actually clicked on this video to watch it, you're sure as shit not still watching it. So I'm talking to myself at this point. Right. Hit like, hit subscribe. Would really appreciate it. Until next time, peace. I honestly cannot remember if it's Ashley or Amanda. Why do I always do this? This is actually why I don't, I haven't shouted her out in the past. I cannot think of the name. It's Ashley. It's gotta be Ashley. Why do I keep thinking Amanda? Now I have to look this up before I actually say it on camera. It's Ashley. Real quick, you'll be seeing this video at some point in the future. We're gonna pour one out for the Civic, the detailed Civic. That video hasn't come out yet, but when it does, it's gonna be hard to watch knowing you're about to see. King.